Hello class 7. In the previous class you have read about plane figures and plane with curves, open curves, closed curves, simple curves, rectilinear figures, etc. etc. And today you are going to understand how we can find out the area of a given rectangular path. So take a look at this. Students, our chapter is area and perimeter, and we have to understand today area of rectangular path, part 1. First of all, we have to recall that area of a rectangle is length into breadth square unit, and perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into L plus B unit. And then we are going to understand area of rectangular path. To understand this concept, let us explain the concept with the help of following examples. I am taking here first example, a question. You can see a footpath of uniform width. Uniform width means the width of this uniform path is same in all places, whose 5 meter width runs round the inside of a rectangular park, 38 meter long and 32 meter wide. Find the area of the path. Students, read once again the question. A footpath of uniform width 5 meter runs round the inside of the rectangular park, 38 meter long and 32 meter wide. Find the area of the path. To solve this type of problem, first of all we have to draw the figure and then solve the question. So I am going to draw the figure of this question. It is given the length of the rectangular park is 38 meter and breadth is 32 meter. So I am drawing here a rectangle. The rectangle this is a rectangular park which is 38 meter long and 32 meter wide. Now there is a path inside of this rectangular park having 5 meter width, like that. And you know, this is 38 meter and this is 32 meter, and now we have to find the area of this path, which is shaded in red color. Okay, to find out this shaded portion, that is rectangular path, first we have to find out the area of the park that is 38 into 32, and then we have to find out the area of this region, small rectangle, and then subtract from greater one to the smaller one, then we will get this rest part, that is the rectangular path. So first of all we write a name A, B, C, D, here P, Q, R, S, and it is given that everywhere the width of the path is 5 meter. So first of all find out this length. This length must be, SR must be 38 minus 5 meter and from 5 meter. It means we have to subtract 5 meter from both sides, that is from here and that from here. So 38 minus 5 gives us 28 meter. And in the same way we have to find out the breadth. Here the breadth is also 5 meter subtract less, and here from 5 meter less. So it will be 32 minus 5 minus 5, that will be 22 meter. Now we have to find out the area of the bigger rectangle ABCD, and then area of the smaller rectangle PQRS, and then subtract. So area of rectangle ABCD equals length into breadth, that is 38 into 32, which will be square unit, which will be 38 into 32 we have to find out. So 38 into 32 we can find out by multiplying like that, 38, 32. We should multiply clearly. 2 8 just 16, 6, 1 carry, 2 3 just 6, 1, 7, 3 8 just 24, 4 2 carry, 3 3 just 9, 2 11. It will be 1216. So the area of the bigger rectangle is 1216 meter square. Now we have to find out the area of the smaller rectangle PQRS. So area of rectangle PQRS equals length into breadth. Length is 28 meter and breadth is 22 meter, and when you multiply 28 by 22, then you will get 616. So it will be 616 meter square. And you know the area of this rectangular path shaded by the red color is area of rectangular path equals area of rectangle ABCD minus area of rectangle PQRS. That will be 1216 minus 616, that will be 600 meter square. So this is the way to find out the area of a rectangular path inside in a rectangular garden, rectangular park, or etc. Now students, I am taking another example. A rectangular garden 78 meter long and 35 meters broad has a uniform path 1 meter wide all around it on the outside. It means from the outside. Find the area of path. Now we are going to find out the area of this rectangular path which is outside of the rectangular garden. So in this solution, first we have to draw the figure. Here I am taking a rectangle. You can use pencil and ruler to draw the rectangle. Students, we take it as 78 meter and 35 meter broad, and now it is given 1 meter broad, 1 meter broad rectangular path is all around from outside, not inside, outside. It will be like this. Now you can see this path is made outside of the park, of the garden. And the area, we have to find out this rectangular path, but this width is 1 meter in all sides. Okay, now the process is same, that we have to find out the area of the bigger rectangle and then the smaller rectangle and subtract. But here it is given the length and breadth of the inner rectangle, so we have to find out the length and breadth of the outer rectangle. So the length of this part is 78 plus 1 plus 1. Why? Because 1 meter from here extra and 1 meter from here extra, so it is extended 1 meter from both the sides, so it will be 80 meter. And in this breadth side again 35 plus 1 plus 1, because it is extended 1 meter from both sides, so it will be 37 meter. Now students, we have to take name, that is A, B, C, D, P, Q, R, S. So first of all we have to find out the area of bigger rectangle, that is area of rectangle PQRS is 80 meter into 37 meter. That will be 296 meter square. Now area of rectangle ABCD, which is 78 meter long and 35 meter broad. and it will be multiplied. Two 730 meter square. Multiply clearly, don't take any chance. Simply. Now we have to find out. It will be a 0 left here. This 0 is left here. So 0. It will be 0. 2960 meter square. And now find out the area of this rectangular path. So therefore area of rectangular path equals area of rectangle PQRS minus area of rectangle ABCD. That will be 2960 minus 2730, and it gives 032. It means 230 meter square. Students, I think now you understand how we can find out the area of a rectangular path which is given from inside of a rectangular park or garden or outside of the rectangular park or garden. You can also watch me on my YouTube channel, Ocean of Maths. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.